Good day, students. Today we shall learn about another topic in mathematics, and that is the topic of angles. So please watch this video presentation that I have prepared for you. Take notes as you watch and listen. Draw diagrams too. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words. We shall discuss on Tuesday, God willing, and we'll complete some worksheets that I have prepared for you. Now, you may be wondering, why do you need to learn about angles? How are angles used in daily life? Here are a few examples. 1. Architects and engineers use angles when they are designing houses, buildings, roads, and bridges. 2. Carpenters use angles to make furniture. 3. Artists use angles to draw paintings and portraits. 4. Cricketers turn the bat at a certain angle to hit the ball towards the boundary or for a score of 6. Now, what do you know about angles? On your mathematics notebook, draw a table with 3 columns and label the first column with a capital K, the second with a capital W, and the third with a capital L. In the column with capital K, write what you already know about angles. In the column with the capital W, write at least 2 things you would like to learn about angles. Then, in the column with the capital L, you will write and draw what you learned while and after watching the video. Students, it is time to draw, and I know many of you love to draw. From what you have learned so far, use the graph paper you were given today to draw 3 angles of different sizes. After you have watched the entire presentation, you will label your angles based on their type. We shall now learn about each different type of angle. We shall start with the right angle. A right angle is formed when a vertical line and a horizontal line intersect. It looks exactly like a capital or uppercase L. A right angle measures 90 degrees. We have right angles being formed by the hands of a clock when it is 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock. We can also find 4 right angles in a square and in a rectangle. So the total measurement of the 4 angles is 360 degrees. Acute angles measure less than 90 degrees, so they are smaller than the right angle. This means they can measure 13 degrees, 27 degrees, 48 degrees, 56 degrees. The hour hand and minute hand of the clock form an acute angle at times such as 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 11 o'clock. A pair of open scissors and birds' beaks form acute angles. If we slice a whole pizza into 5 or more slices, each slice will make an acute angle. If we divide a right angle into 2 parts, each part will form an acute angle. Question for you. What is the largest measurement you can get for an acute angle? What about the obtuse angle? An obtuse angle is bigger than a right angle, which measures 90 degrees, but it is smaller than a straight angle, which measures 180 degrees. The hands of the clock form obtuse angles at 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 4 o'clock. The blades of a ceiling fan, the roofs of some houses, an open laptop and the screen can all form obtuse angles. Some parking lots have obtuse angle spaces to make it easier to turn the car. Let us remember, an obtuse angle is less than 180 degrees, but it is more than 90 degrees. So an obtuse angle can measure from 91 degrees up to 179 degrees.